You know say they drink beer and to die for buying beer for you.
Papa, you're speaking in parables.
I don't get wife.
Wife what? Caro?
If not be say if my pikin for cement on fire you.
Papa, what can I do now?
I gonna wish me Caro. You know say she be bad luck.
No, Papa, that woman love you well.
Shut up. Go propose my wife today, Nancy.
You want marry Nancy? Wait, I don't get the gist. You sure say she will agree marry you?
Person when you get this kind of company, this kind of big company, but which girl no go agree for her?
Your mirror they deceive you. You know as your face be. Okay, if the girl agree, and Papa go agree.
I go try my best. That's the best way to get this guy, Mr. P Transport Company. I go try my best. But when I know, be say I must marry that girl. Come rain, come sunshine.
Okay, oh. I wish you the best of luck. But don't forget say Spider-Man, not the work for Nigeria.
That one I know. But I only say me and you. I know be you. Me, I dey do my own one girl, one-on-one. I know be you when they carry girls everywhere from here. Anywhere you see girl, you carry. When they carry girls.
No talk am again. No just talk. I go change them for you here. Don't talk am again.
You will beat me.
Huh?
You go feel beat me.
Hey!
Hey.
No, come now.
I go. Hey!
No worry.
Make una come, oh. I don't keep us.
Nah. Papa? Why you have to push it now? I won't carry come out.
Papa, no. You go carry the taxi come out. When you bring them in the afternoon, you carry keke na pep. When you bring keke na pep in the afternoon, then you carry wheelbarrow come out in the evening. You go good.
Na point. Then from here they climb just one after the other. Don't they get sense? Hey.
Let me you want me. Let me you put me for. Sorry. For say, no be you put me for my mama belly.
And I mean, will not be too.
So, you dey wise, I dey wise too. Well, the problem is say you can't date to accommodation. What happen?
You short. You resemble your mama.
Yeah, short.
If you see your man a pigeon,
Me now. Hey.
You go where your dog.
Yeah, my mama who fine pass.
She fine.
All resemble my mama for short and fine. Okay. Hey, Papa. Who you resemble?
Once you see me, I come out. Me, I go work.
No, you go answer the question. Who you resemble? I want to know who you resemble. Ask me, you resemble my mama. Who you resemble?
Wait, watch this. Watch and when you finish, I tell you.
I know. I don't. Papa, wait now. Now, small question where your son they ask you who you resemble.
You the Chris?
You must answer. If not, this car, wheelbarrow, this keke, no, they go anywhere today. Walk, no go there. You must answer. Am I right to know who you resemble? If I get picking tomorrow, they ask me who my papa resemble. What's I gonna talk? Me, I resemble my mama, my papa. I don't know. Who you resemble now?
You chop something?
Not be my right. If they talk history now, they say papa resemble who? Who I gonna talk? I don't know. If you're a neighbor or landlord you resemble, you tell me. I don't know.
I'm not punish my pal like this, oh.
Not be punishment, in my right. That's simple question. Will I say no one go for today? Papa, answer question now. Why you don't want to answer them? I be not resemble anybody.
Okay.
That time where your papa born you now, analog time. Now digital. Now we don't know everything. I want to know who you resemble. Why they had you for to answer?
Hey! Nap.
Papa.
Nap.
Papa. Papa, wait now. Don't do this thing now. Just answer. Okay, tomorrow night if I come out now, they ask me who my papa resemble. What I go talk? Me, I resemble my mama. Who you resemble? What I go answer?
God created us in his own image.
Okay, you resemble God. God, who you resemble? You resemble God, you tell me. If you resemble God, now be say you're going to disappear now.
You got something to know about that?
No matter. Sajolam. Papa, what you gonna do?
You sure?
You the chop? Who you resemble?
Again?
Answer now. You the chop?
Give me that soup.
Who you resemble?
Again?
You no go chop, you no go eat for this house, you no go test anything. Until you answer the question, who you resemble?
How much money to shop?
How? Answer the question now.
Who resemble? I will kill you for this house though.
Answer. Who you resemble? Good question.
What can I tell you about this woman? Why you be saying if I send you message, you not go do am the way I send you that message? Why? Look, from today going up, any day I send you message, you not do am, I go wound you, and nothing will happen for this compound. I tell you.
No, Papa, if you wound me, something will happen. No.
Something will happen. I tell you, nothing will happen. I tell you.
You wound me, something will happen. No.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I tell you, something will happen for this compound one day if you know that the way I wanted.
Papa, not be say I do am to challenge you. If you wound me, my mama spirit to go come wound you back. Oh.
Even your man spirit not if you do anything. Nap.
Papa.
Nap. I met her, I call you.
Make am tell you no wahala.
Come on, tell somebody to come on, please.
Mr. Pig.
My love.
Good morning.
Stainless angel. Hey, I know you're good. You know the show for your body. Hey, can you imagine? Made in USA. Okay, your father need taxi or wheelbarrow.
No. I actually came to, there's this new pants in vogue now. It's called the Igbo pants. I wanted to know if no apology has it. Is it?
My papa them say you dey look for Igbo pants, but I get gown, blouse, sneakers, tights. But I don't know the one where you dey talk with your Igbo pants.
You mean you don't have woman pants or Igbo pants? The latest one now?
I get them now.
What's new now? Igbo pants, yeah.
Get them now, 100 now.
Please, take that away from me. I'm talking about what's in vogue, Igbo pants. You're bringing this cheap pants for me. See, hey, take a good look at me. I'm a correct girl, so what I wear is correct things, not this cheap 100 naira pants.
Pants now.
God forbid, me, Nancy, wear Okrika pants. Why? Like, why are you embarrassing me?
Maybe you won't get pants.
Please, I can tell better, okay? The only Obonge thing is the Igbo pants, not this cheap.
Oh, may you go lose everything, make it start. May you come.
May you go test them.
May you see whether. Come.
Please check very well if you have the Igbo pants or not.
Hey, na school you dey go? Huh?
What, are you blind? What sort of stupid person is that? I'm dressed with my books. Are you asking me if I'm going to school?
You hold on there, you dey mad. I mean they talk to like that. See this pigeon, why they para now like one small mosquito like that?
What?
Nobody
It is you that is paranoid and indescribably stupid.
Oh, and again, me. No be say now in the morning, I for use 3 better dirty slap, Take teach you 1 + 1. You don't know your mate, Abi?
Otsi, you are an African baboon.
It's
a thing of an Ethiopian white-eyed gorilla.
Oh, mommy, me. Now you talk like this.
You're already in the dungeons of fires of hell.
You be idiot.
Excuse me.
Jobless, stupid people.
Nincompoop.
Because I talk to you.
Arrant nonsense.
Nonsense. How you just say that school you go sell? Then you rush to go.
Mr. P. Huh? So you want to see my Igbo pants?
I want to see the pants. Make it be say.
Come on, don't come close to me. Do you want to rape me?
God forbid, I will begin to help you.
So why are you touching me?
You know, suppose when you never see something like this, if you want to see like this, they make them, yeah.
You don't want to buy the pants again.
Are you deaf? I told you I don't wear cheap pants.
Come. Why you the vest like this? Huh? Wait. I want to see that pint.
You want to see my pants, Abi? You want me to show you my Igbo pants?
Yes.
I will show you my Igbo pants. But it will cost you some money. Little money.
How much?
Like 10K.
So let me thank you.
10,000 naira.
A good pants.
Mr. P. So because of 10,000 naira, small money, that is why your face is like this. Eh? When your mates in Abuja are ready to part with as much as 20,000 naira, and even gifts on top to see their girlfriend's pants, you're here doing your face like this.
Anybody who spend 20,000 naira takes the only pants. That person thief the money. Well, most of these people, they spend one any, that person tip the thief.
So do you want to see the pant or not? Are you paying me or not?
Wait.
Okay, pants no Igbo pants.
I give him
Okay, pants no Igbo pants.
But I want to see this pint.
If you don't spend that kind of money now, where you go gather money again to begin build the house where you say you go build? No pay.
Mr. Pio, why are you wasting my time now? Eh? Are you paying me or not?
I they confess.
If you
To go with me, I really want to see that pint.
If you see I'm not give him that kind of money, how you go get money to build the house?
See, Mr. P, I want to do. I don't understand what you're doing.
Wait. How many minutes? If I want to buy this white woman pant, where go for sale and buy?
Oh, in the UK, London.
London?
Yeah, that's where I got mine from. Actually, my boyfriend bought it for me and sent it down here.
Boyfriend? Hey, your boyfriend?
Yeah.
So you do that kind of thing?
Depends on what you're talking about, Mr. P. But as long as there's money involved, why not?
Let's go enter inside. We go see the pants.
And do what? I told you I was hungry. You did not hear that part. Please, I'm going home to eat good food prepared by my cook.
Wait. Congo. Quick. Go buy food for them.
There's a restaurant down the road. Buy me their fried rice and crispy chicken. Okay, that's the only thing I eat. That's the only thing I eat.
Go.
Hope you understood what I said. Fried rice, crispy chicken. Why is his face like that?
No, you know the vest. Network. You know this area. Network, they come, they go, that's why you make like this.
But are you sure you understood what I said about the food?
An intelligent boy, yo.
Oh, okay.
Boy. Maybe go inside, maybe go to wait. Maybe bring the food. Wait for him.
Okay.
In a warehouse.
Can't you see? Huh?
What is your problem?
You see that I have problem like you can't solve it.
I don't even have time for fools like you.
Ha! I shall want to get time. I shall want to get time.
Oh my God, I swear, if you try call me that nonsense again, if you try it, you will regret ever meeting me. And you spend the rest of your miserable life behind bars.
You spend your miserable life inside bar, inside restaurant, inside hotel. Rubbish.
You're lucky. You're lucky I'm in a haste, eh? You're lucky I'm already late for my lectures. I've done with you this morning. You.
Go.
Nonsense.
Go, come out there.
Can you imagine?
So what I go find you?
I beg. Mr. P, I don't have time for entertainment now, please. Do you want to see my Igbo pants? If you want to see it, you give me what I asked you for. I'll go outside and wait for my food, though.
No, I want to see it. I want to see it. Understand me? But I want to start making entertain you first.
I don't want entertainment. I don't want it. Time is money. I don't have time for that now, please. And you know my daddy will be very angry if he knows what you want to do with his baby. You know that.
Who won't go tell him? Unless now you go tell them, you no go fear them. No problem.
Mr. P.
Say hello, Dad. Now where they keep him? Let's do all this rat. You're not getting out that number. I'm not going near my money. This one I'm 10,000.
Is that the money you want to give to me?
No fear, no, I'm just gonna make anybody know. I know they go bank. I hear them.
Thank you very much. Mr. P. You said you wanted to entertain me, right?
Again?
So you don't you want to entertain me again?
Okay, make us after the panel.
Won't you entertain me?
Okay. We get a cook, we get 2 alive, we get 3 alive. So which one I go bring? But
I'll have 2 alive.
And I come.
This matter, na serious matter. Na him they make my head is scatter. Na because of Nancy way I fancy. Even though Caro they go look for me, but I no send them. Na Nancy I love. Shine. Nancy they will even back.
1, 2 alive. Make sure you finish them.
Finish what?
I'll do water.
You're kidding, right?
No, but
How do you expect me to eat this?
my poison. And they come. 2 alive.
Put Mr. B for me, 1,000 naira.
I don't understand.
Which one you don't understand? The B or the 1,000? Which one?
Look, if you want to buy food, you buy food. If you don't want to buy food, get out.
I put them.
Wait till I go put.
Anywhere where you get, just put rice. Take away.
No problem.
Sir.
Okay.
I bet no apology don't come out.
No, yes.
I don't understand.
Yes, we say you go buy something from me. That will not be commoting. No, we say you never go market.
Yeah. Okay. If you come, tell us I don't go.
Okay. You know if you work for them?
No. Don't send our money like this at the same market pass.
Okay. We'll soon come.
Okay.
This matter, na serious matter. Na him they make my head is scatter. Na because of Nancy way I fancy.
How you there? Now your place I dey come from. My place? Why you no wait for me? You know, sir, no dey like to dey miss money markets. Not true. What will be the time, sir? Don't reach 10 o'clock. Wow.
Nigeria play match?
Nigeria play match. Come, Mutiba. No, only Nigeria they play match. See, I don't play 2 matches today. I said, and I win them.
You not tell me say you be good footballer.
Shut up. Now football, I tell you, say I play.
What you can play? No apology. No apology. No apology. No apology. Come market to Enya.
Are you okay?
No.
So, are you going to work dressed like this?
No. Go show me the pants.
Oh. Forgive my manners. Do you know I actually forgot? Let me show you. Look at it here. Look at it. This is actually the exact one my boyfriend sent to me from London. It's lovely. It has different colors. Let me show you another one.
What do with that?
Do you go pant now? London.
Come away that inside go to Jiggy.
Do what? Are you out of your mind? Eh?
I'm not paying big money.
You paid me big money to show you Oyibo pants, and that is what I'm showing you on my BlackBerry phone.
Come here, we'll go inside.
Leave me alone. What is that? Why would I? Are you my boyfriend? Don't try it.
You don't worry.
Mr. P, leave me alone. I'll give you HIV. Oh. I'm HIV positive, Mr. P. Are you laughing at me because I'm HIV positive?
No. I dey laugh at you because you know something lie.
I will tell my daddy for you. Mr. P, I will tell my daddy what you want to do right now. In fact, you will sleep 1 month in jail. You know what my father can do. You know what my daddy will do to you. 1 month. 1 month for this nonsense you just did now. Mr. P, how dare you? How am I even saying 1 month? 2 months. Nonsense.
Hey!
This matter, a serious matter.
Wrong.
You see the pants?
Now because of Nancy way I fancy.
Don't see I'm like.
Even though Caro they go look for me, but I no send
Hey!
them. Oh,
If you say you don't like Papa, I for say you do. I will show you pants for phone. Like that. Finish.
I beg my people, no apology. Support me and make I get Nancy. As you know, now reach my picking. And your papa, Zabi better thing. She got a ticket, double do evil. And you know I know.
I'm not saying I like this today. Tomorrow, I go dey waste my time. Say I dey wait for no apology. Why you be saying na your papa na you dey take care of all your expenses? This one got say na even one self. Just dey hammer me like say I no even chop yesterday night,
No apology, support me and make I get Nancy. As you know, now
Papa!
it's my picking.
Come and see America Wonder. What this man doing now? Papa! Hey. Mama Auntie! Auntie!
Now who be that?
I mean, an apology. Come and see America Wonder.
I don't need American wonder. Wait till I need now woman wonder.
You don't see America Wonder before? Auntie, you there with the woman?
Now your papa you go ask that question.
Ha! Come and see America Wonder. I surrender a soccer. It's a pity. I surrender a soccer. It's a pity. Surrender a soccer. Hello? Who be this? No be Nancy. My name na no apology. What will be your own name? Okay, Coco Sisi. No be man. beg. Nonsense.
You never go market?
Yeah, they wait for now.
What did I go do for you again?
I want to know whether I don't collect the 10,000 naira.
Go carry your market, go put for keke na pep. No, they come out.
Keke na pep. Maybe Tazi go carry go work.
Time for Tazi don't pass. Go put on that side.
Nobody did that house, so.
Hey.
Mr. P don't go in business. Your son don't go market.
Are you sure there's nobody here?
You deaf? Nobody did there.
Hey! God, what will I do now? What will I do? What was I thinking?
Why you dey waiting happen? Any wahala?
I forgot my phone, my BlackBerry phone. I came here earlier to buy something from the boy.
Phone.
Yes, BlackBerry, BB.
So now phone make you dey perform like say Spider-Man done the work for Nigeria.
I said BlackBerry, BB. Did you hear me?
If you sure say you forget your phone there, go come back in the evening. Your phone go there where you forget her.
Hey. See, please, when they come back, tell them that I came to look for my phone, my BlackBerry phone. Okay? Please, don't forget to.
Okay. Excuse me. Bye-bye.
Pay me.
Go now, why you stop?
Baba, now what?
Man, pay me.
Okay, we never be sure you they go. You see more they pay. I want to pay you.
Man, pay me. Man, give my money.
That's when they be sure they go for they pay money.
Pay me.
I better take your money. Carry your wallet. Take your money. Take your money.
I'll slap. I won't do the grace. See face.
I better not.
Give me my money.
Where would they go now?
Give my money. Give the grace. I'll kill you for you. You want me to kill you?
I hold the money.
Give me the money.
Sure. You won't care to give because of money.
Big boy. Onyembe.
Oh,
See, me find another boss.
Bro, don't pay
who don't pay you now? Sure, that we they go.
Begging.
I go find another money.
Baba, move now.
Let my target. Let my target. Ego, I can't open the ego. I see your hand on my money again. Doesn't work.
You don't do your own, no. You don't do your own, no. Move.
I beg my picking, no apology. Support me and make I get nothing. As you know, now it's my picking. And your papa, Zabi the acting. Keep your ticket. You know I know. Now we'll feed this you.
Madam, I'm not now.
I beg you.
You know, by now.
Hello.
Now who's having me?
It's Nancy. See, I forgot my BlackBerry phone, the one you're using to answer this call.
Where did be Blackberry?
It's my phone. I left it in your house this morning when I came to buy the Oyibo pants.
The phone one hold for hand here na Nokia, not the phone where they ping. He said you not come my house this morning, no, you were so.
BlackBerry pinging phone, the one you're using right now to answer this call. It's my phone. It's Nancy.
Don't make me lose market. Now see bros so they price me mark.
Hello? 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 I think I called the wrong number.
Now which kind of person it is now? I mean, you don't know your phone number again. But give me my money.
My sister, I'm just confused. I don't even understand.
I beg my pikin, no apology. Support me and make I get Nancy. As you know, now it's my pikin.
Alright.
And your papa, Zabi the acting. She be our ticket.
You don't go school again?
You were the first person I greeted this morning.
I don't know what I be or I know be. The question is say what thing happen.
Twice. I've been insulted and embarrassed today.
This girl never still answer my question. You never answer me. What thing happen?
Okija, you are analogously, digitally, sophisticatedly, romantically demonic.
No
and I
verse.
want you to stay away from me every morning. Stay from you!
Sophie, no verse. My mind no day here. What thing with that thing when you talk again?
Okija, I said you are analogously, digitally, romantically.
I mean, they ask. No be you I go ask.
Okija. I don't understand. How do you mean?
No be you want carry grammar scatter my head. Yeah. I can't run and make you no carry that of grammar destroy me.
Okija, wait. So you mean you didn't see any danger before you ran into the kitchen?
Danger. Which danger pass this grammar where they speak?
Hi.
Eh? I swear, everything I don't chop today, everything I chop today, don't scatter them, don't come out of my head. As in, babe, I beg. Take am easy.
I know blame you. I ran.
Come on there. Nah. Vegetable soup I chop since. Nah. That's carry grammar, scatter and finish. Now you go school fast.
not come? Yeah. Since morning, I never say anything. You don't say? No. Myself, I don't understand what did happen today. My mom be say anytime I just miss morning market, that's why I go just miss the rest of the day. Eh? I dey come, I reach police station. I dey come. You want go there? One girl just call me for phone. Say I carry her phone. Say make I return her. Say if I not return her, say you go report me to police station. Her phone? Yeah. You carry her phone? I don't carry anybody phone. No. So when you reach police now, what you go tell police? I go just drop the phone, waka come out now. As mumu I be mugu where you be. No insult me. Oh. Which one be no insult? No be you see what you dey talk now. Say you go just enter police station, go draw the phone, they go. What do you think that one come me? Because I know one police people wahala na. As mumu where you be now, I be mugu with yourself, abi? See, if no be for what I for tell you, make you give me that phone, make I just submit it by myself. Blockhead. See, which kind talk and insult be that now? Stop am. Why you invite am now? No be you carry her come. I'm not carrying you. She just come. I'm not carrying anybody. No, let's
Are you not coming down to open the door for me?
You know say this thing what they tell you. No be. Get something where I want to tell you. In my mind.
What?
The 10,000 naira where I take watch on your pants for the phone. Forget them.
Oh, really? Oh, you're such a darling.
I'll never be. Now they're talking to now the lady foundation, so. But I just want to make you, whether you could be my.
Be your what? Huh? Your what?
Basayo. This thing is heavy for my mouth. I don't know how I go talk and make it.
You acting like a kid. Say what it is, I'm listening. Whatever it is, say it, I'm listening.
Basayo, you no go vex.
Why would I? When I don't know what it is you want to tell me. Tell me what it is, then I will decide whether I want to be angry or happy. So say it, I'm listening.
Right. Okay, may you go find, may you enter the house, go find the phone first. When you come out, then I go don't think I'm. Make I know what I want to talk, I know my mistake. I beg.
But you wait here. I'll go in there, look for the phone, come back here and meet you. I open the door.
Nah, me know the house more than you.
I say you wait here. Or you don't want me to go inside again. I won't go inside.
Now him they make my head is scattered. Now because of Nancy way I fancy. Even though Caro they go look for me, but I don't send her go.
You no go work.
Work. I give myself public holiday.
Public holiday.
Ubop. That was share where you carry enter. They are soft.
What do they worry you? And Papa na big politician. I mean they carry him from my distance. You know when go, I mean they carry him.
Big man picking.
Yes, big man. Not a big man picking. They stay London.
Hey.
If Papa will die.
You don't hammer. I beg. Hook me up. The sister, cousin, or their mama, if you manage.
If I see me on the fire, you know what will happen. I'll ask you.
But this thing make me hate you.
You don't come out.
This thing when you talk now, it make me hate you. There is love in sharing. No be for Bible.
Come over here.
You're too greedy. You're too greedy. You're too greedy. There's love in sharing.
Jot. Make I tell you, any day we anybody anybody come here. If I say, I go kill you. Idiot.
Mr. P, good afternoon. Wetin happen? This one wey you dey do, hope no problem.
Caro, I take God beg you, abeg. Just dey go your house and not get time for this your nonsense talk, abeg. I get something wey dey important more than anything for hand. I don't know why person no fit rest for you for inside this compound. Every minute, wahala. Thought I go find you for this compound, I tell you.
Why they swear for me now? Wetin I do you? Why you just dey swear for me? Shebi I say I like you, and in fact, sorry o. Sorry o.
Sorry for yourself.
I say sorry.
You see him?
No. I can't find it. I don't know, maybe I left with it or...
See how they tell you, things not there here. Nothing not there here. No matter the way God make them, may you come, may you for listen to what I won't tell you.
I see, Mr. P. My mood has completely changed. I don't want to listen to any rubbish you want to tell me now, please. I'm very upset. Very, very upset.
Don't go upset, oh. That's what my hypertension. This will be small girl. You never see anything for this world. My God, down Satan. What I won't tell you.
Mr. P, please just get me out of here. Take me home. I don't want my dad to start looking for me. You know how he can be. I'll listen to you when next we see, okay?
Okay, promise me. Say that I will tell you, you will agree.
Why would I make such a promise when I don't even know what it is you want to tell me? Okay, what if you ask me to hang myself?
At the Chris, I begin to make you hang yourself. If I talk, I make her die. What I want to tell you,
Mr. P, get me out of here, okay? Please.
So the one I want to tell you is sweet.
I'm very upset.
Sweet.
I can't find my BlackBerry phone.
I'll come back and bring key.
You not go to school today?
No, I don't have lectures today.
Okay.
Caro, will you be less busy today?
Yes, because now today I want to select the fruit. Make them no spoil.
Oh, I'll call you later. I have something I want to discuss with you.
Hope no problem.
No, just the personal matter.
Nancy. Hey, you see, they tell Nancy. So Nancy, how you there now? This is how you small. How you there?
Happen. I'm very fine. But you can see I'm busy, so I can't talk to you now.
Lie. Even as it is so, you don't know that you is talk to me already as it talk so. Or you want to be like network, where is talk say, the number you are currently calling is busy. Try again later. Is that what you want to be?
Akpan, I don't have time to bandy words with you right now. I am busy, very busy.
Now who they play band with you? Who they play band with you? Now me they play band with you. Now is it because I don't come to dash you greeting? Now make you come there why you are mad anyhow with me? Listen, make I tell you, no we in a fight, we won't fight. I just want report it to you. To say that the food that you are giving me these days, you don't do me, no they do me at all. We listen. So I am come to request for the increment of ration of my food. So therefore, because of why my stomach, it don't dualize. My belly don't dualize. Like all this federal road, the dualization, my belly don't big. So the food go increase. You hear them?
So are you begging me or you're ordering me?
What are you talking about? All of the above, or even all of the under.
Ah, okay. We shall see to that.
Get away, you what are you doing about? See, let me tell you. If you mess me up, I go mess you down. I don't talk now, I'm finished.
Akman, I am busy. Very busy.
May I go back, go check with I don't tell you.
No, come here and be blabbing. Stupid boy.
Where, Baba?
What's doing good for the money?
I don't know. Make I go ask people.
Hey. Stay. You don't go watch Keke and
No.
Why?
I don't wait for you make you come, make you top price before I go watch them.
Give me your price. For something what they feed you.
Ah.
You hear yourself, sir?
Now the cocoa be that. I mean, you started, I don't forget when you seize my phone.
Yes.
So sometimes na me go carry money when I sell market. I go buy things with me at the shop. Now you they feed me every time. Sometimes don't be they feed myself.
Una good morning. Don't want a day like this. A meeting?
Yes.
Normal meeting, I be an emergency.
Na emergency.
I for like journal now, but this time we say only 2 in a day. I'll just go back. I go join next time.
Now labor will they discuss.
Labor?
Yeah.
No, well, I will come back when people don't plenty.
So, you touch your heart. Can't go strike, can't to say, I must pay you for something with me until they feed you.
What did you start? You don't forget when you jack me up in the presence of your grandmother. For something where me they wash free of charge. Keke where they wash free of charge. That's how you go be now.
Mr. P, good morning, no. No apology. How you dey?
I dey kampe.
This one when I day house this time. Now no go work today.
It concern you.
Now question I ask you now.
You should say you're not busy for here. No wonder they poke nose for something will not even concern you.
Sorry.
Sorry for yourself. So now say you want me to be happy?
How you go be before? That's how you go be. Oh. Do me, I do you. Man no go vex. God no go vex. I'll be start am.
Okay. Now how much will make I pay you?
The taxi na 700. Keke na pep na 500. Wheelbarrow 250. Now you go be.
You all will be how much?
Check am now. You no do mass. Now 1,450. Now you go be.
Okay. Enter house. Go for my bedroom. Go open pillow. Then you will see your phone. Make you connect your phone there.
Hi. Now God just save you now. Now God save you for this thing where you just stuck. Now God just save you. Enter your mind, make you just stop this thing. If not, if you see what time for do, just go there, go pack the keke, wheelbarrow and the taxi where I go wash. Make I come help you do them. FOC, because of this thing where you thought. Go, back and well, I will just pity you.
What's wrong with them?
Them now, the keke, wheelbarrow and taxi.
You should watch the way.
Ah, watch the way. If you see them, you will even dash me something.
Nah.
Papa, hey, chop no.
Chop it.
No.
Come go buy bread. No, take breakfast before we come out. Fast.
Papa, the money no small.
I don't buy milk, buy tea yesterday. Just bread for me and you.
Fuck off.
Why you dey run now? No be saying be man. He goats. You first smell your life around today, you person. Fool.
Come. Now what's happen now? Now what's himself? What make na pack weapons of warfare come start for person domot?
I beg, just hold your peace. We no come for you. Now OT will get problem with, not be with you. Yeah, ba?
See this one. Which kind of business when I get with OT we make na pack weapons? This one carry stick way long pass and this one carry shovel. This one can carry cutlass. Una wan kill am?
One teach am lesson when you no go forget for in life.
Now no talk wetin una OT get to. We make una dey pursue am anyhow.
When you see am, ask am. No, they ask us stupid questions. Nonsense. Who dey clear abeg?
Oh, boss, OT. Bola, schools don dey clear.
You sure?
Now what for you? As I show them clear.
They don't log out.
I dey tell you as I show them just move.
Sure say they don't move.
Now what for you? But guy, now what you do these babes then when maybe they pursue you like this?
God. Ubop. You know as they go for streets now. I use one format. Run this one. Run the second one. Run the third one. I know, you know women and gossip now. I don't know as they take begin gist gossip. This one can't no say I run this one with the same format. And they change them for me. They won't take my life.
Oh boy, leave woman, make woman leave you. Leave woman, make woman leave. Only you 3 girls.
You dey
mad.
mad. You dey mad. Make women stop to dey attract men now. Make them know they shake if they waka. Which one leave woman well?
If woman no kill you, now you will kill
woman. Make woman kill me. Now woman bomb me. If I follow woman die that one day. See your behavior. My friend come on here. I think they want to talk something where make sense. See person where don't get work, they talk to me. Who Bob? God.
They put your market here. Yeah, so they wait for you now. Cause they make I put them here. Cause they make you put them here. Yeah. Why? For what? No one miss money market. You know they go market. Carry your market, they go. Let they go.
So you're not ready with the food yet?
I'm sorry, sir. It's going to be ready in a few minutes. Sorry about that.
You have to hurry up because I'll be going for business soon.
Okay, sir. So be ready soon.
Please, you have to call Mr. P to take you to NEPA office so that you can get a recharge for our light. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And then don't forget to pick some roll-on for me at the supermarket.
Okay, sir.
Please, hurry up.
So be ready soon.
Papa, me I know they drink Abubakar.
What about back?
How you go fool this jug? Go carry small milk and small this thing. Go they put inside.
You good. If you don't drink, I will leave her.
Make a test her.
No one drink, I leave her. I'll drink by myself.
Make a test her, man. No. Drink that one. Make I do my own here.
Come on. Where you go bring this bread? You know where raincoat is?
Rent not the phone. I have to say rent the phone. If you give a raincoat.
Maybe not that number there. No, you know put
Maybe no get certificate now. I make you no carry the number.
The new bread.
Yes, now you know see I'm still there fresh.
Papa P.
Yes.
Hmm?
There's no person.
No, maybe not you. I don't get any visitor.
Who be that?
Papa P.
Go check it.
No, make a job finish.
Eh? I mean, I told you like that. If you there now, this is going to knock. And our customer. If you knock, stay there, begin verse. You go back from another person's place.
I true talk. You talk. Okay, go. Ooh! Now what is?
I bring breakfast, come for now.
Papa! Come on, God, don't throw away manna from heaven. Come for us.
What do be that?
I bring breakfast for you and your son.
Which nonsense breakfast? We tell you say we're hungry.
Papa P, I know say na go kneel down. That's why I put dessert beside all the food men take enjoy ourselves.
Caro? I mean they prepare poison for me. You won't give me come.
Poison no dey inside this one. Na me do am. How I take poison? How I take poison person where I love? I love you with my head and toe.
Papa, you don't enter with that. Don't enter. One chance. Ati Caro, bring the food. Yeah.
What do you want to do?
Look, I can't go inside.
Caro, I don't like you. One bit. I don't like you. You know the fee get me. Go find another person. I tell God beg you. No, not to disturb me. You hear me, sir? Carry your poison. Give them. Go. And you know the fee get me. I don't the chop gonna before meeting the start. I tell you. Okay. Carry and go that side, backyard. That side. Chop him. You chop him finish. You return plate for him.
Nancy, I love you.
Come back.
Nancy, they will you bad. Now he make me the bad and the I beg my begin.
You won't go that kind of food from now.
Support me.
But that woman like you well. I don't know what you they do. Do make you marry her since you not get wife again. Yeah. Let me get all this shut up.
Yes. You know why?
What's it?
Because you dey go join wetin God no join.
What did I do now?
Nap.
Baba.
This is what I will tell you, I go tell you before. But I say I'm not going to tell you later. Since this matter don't come grand now, make I come tell you straight.
Now what be that?
Now Nancy I like Chief Frank daughter.
Papa. Be like say they get malaria and typhoid though.
What's that coming?
That girl Papa no allow you make you near her.
Make I tell you, I must do everything to marry that girl. Because marrying of that girl na change of our destiny, me and you.
How?
See, that girl they go below you.
What do you?
I tell you, UK. And as they come out, you they follow him.
Me?
Yes. Yes, because now I go there here for our company. You go there that side. They bring motor for our transport company.
Why you don't tell me sis now? Make I then plan for you. I can't they misplan for your head.
No, they even give me till today. Because of this food we will eat. We just stop finishing now, we just bath, go meet them. She go even away from me. That's
No, eat again. Make you prepare. That one better now pass the food. Make you prepare they come. No chop again. They go where? Papa, come.
And your papa, Zabi the Datin, keep your ticket, double do you know and go.
Please, may I know who I'm talking to?
My name is no apology. Who they talk?
My name is Nancy, and the phone you're using to answer this call belongs to me.
Ah. Thank God you call. Oh. I don't carry the phone. Go give police.
Please, you don't need to take it to the police. It's my phone. It's my own phone, okay? So how can I get it?
Maybe for security and collection fee. If not, I go carry and go give police. Then you go come there, come fee from before you go collect them.
Please don't worry. You don't need to give it to the police. I'll pay you the security and collection fee. It's not a problem, okay? Okay, see, I'll give your father the money, so he'll give it to you. Then you hand my phone over to him.
No, try him.
Why?
Me and my father know they do joint business. They do his own business and they do my own.
Okay, no problem. So how much are we talking about here?
1,500, no negotiate.
1,500. Oh, it's not a problem. I'll give it to you, okay?
I'm waiting.
Thank you so much. I'll come pick it up myself.
Wise man.
1,500 for it.
He said it's for security and collection fee.
My son.
Yeah.
And they do security now.
Look, Mr. P, I'm not bothered about the money. I'm happy I found my phone. I can afford it. My daddy will give it to me. It's not a problem, okay?
So you want to pay him?
Of course, it's chicken change. What's 1,500?
You be big girl now, no problem. Don't pay him. That's the way I want to tell you. Make I tell you here, anywhere.
Mr. P, please. See, we're already running late for the supermarket, and my daddy's going to be angry if he finds me still here. So we need to get to the supermarket, pick up the things we need to pick up, then go to your house, and I look for my phone. Then you tell me what you want to tell me.
My house?
Yes, to look for my phone, first of all.
I'll pack outside.
Okay, let's go.
Now because of Nancy way I fancy. Even though Caro they go look for me, but I no send them more. Now Nancy I love you.
My papa said make I come tell you. Say make you keep that food for me. When I come back, I go come later.
Now you talk like.
Now you send me.
Yeah. The food day. Come make I ask you. I beg, why be say your papa did deny the love what I get for him? I love him.
No talk too much. When I come back, we go talk well. By that time, I don't chop. Don't worry.
You mean now?
Yes, I mean now. I will talk well. Make sure say nothing happened to that food.
The food day. When you come back, I go one man.
No problem.
I go one man before you chop him.
No problem. I go talk to them.
Yeah.
When I come back.
No tell.
I love her. Nancy way I fancy. Even though Caro they go look for me, but I no send them.
Tender Domina, et miserere, quia peccavimus. Apan.
Oga, Ireo.
All corrupt, sir. That salutation remark is not all corrupt. It is all correct.
Oh.
Okay?
All correct, sir.
Better.
Sir.
What are you doing right now?
Oga, I am manning the gate for you. I'm manning the gate. Amo.
Where is Nancy?
Okay. Nancy, even dog say him they go market to buy some food material and food cookeries to come and cook because he talks a big man has food go there plenty.
It's all right. Why are you not in your security uniforms?
Oh, see, okay, see, you know, say as you hear like Zuka, now only one white kid. So because of that one white kid, I have to use my sense of economics and management. When I use that sense, I could wear them, wash again, wear.
One is not good enough, Abba. Yes, it's not good enough. Tell Nancy to see me and collect some money for your uniforms and security kits.
Oh, okay, all corrupts. Okay, thank you.
Aban, I want to take a walk.
Okay, one day walk.
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, mention it. Thank you, mention it.
Tender Domine.
Thank you, mention it.
Et miserere.
I go to open the gate of Boga.
Wait. Na me una dey laugh? Eh? Modern demons. Na me una dey laugh? Make I tell you what you no know. You see, the downfall of a man is the beginning of his life. If you don't know, make una know.
Meaning?
Una dey laugh me now because say we dey here together. See finish. But breaking news, I dey write my single. If that single drop, all of una go dey beg, dey cry, make we snap. I love you. Na what una go dey do. I'm gonna go marry.
This less man. This whole thing I'm talking about. The guy
Says the be. Nonsense people.
Ask me for friendship.
Holy Ghost! Fire!
He told you?
Yes, nah.
He told me and I nearly slap him. Okay, now I understand. So all the girls were in toast and asked to sleep with them and they no agree. All of them in the call Ogbanje.
Now
Yes,
so,
now.
in way.
He goes.
Idiot.
I hate that boy. Jeje abom. Say abom go come out soon. Go beg am.
To wait for Nancy, she come, eh? How much I want to go back for market now? We go reach 1,005. No. We can wait for him. I beg. We can wait for him. I beg.
Sugar plum. It's me, Oti baby of life. Chai. Sugar plum.
Haven't I warned you? Stop disturbing my peace. Oti.
Baby, calm down now. Now love matter. Your love dey scatter my dada, I beg. Eh?
Madman, they do love.
I beg your pardon. My boyfriend is not mad.
Everybody go talk to now. This one na jobless idiot. He no get work. So no plan talk. Just leave him first.
No, I agree. I agree. Are they mad? Abi? Shey you wear the okay wear your shirt like this? You see this your boyfriend? Na confirm madman. No, just carry your eyes see what thing we wear. See what thing we wear for body now.
Sugar plum. Hey. You see what you cause? Now? I don't want you. I don't want you. I will forget my fingers for you. I don't want you.
See this one.
Dey your lane.
Come on there.
Baby. Plum. Baby, come, okay? Have correction with that.
You don't get work, I swear.
Don't worry you now. That's what we're going to do. You see what you do, come. You see you.
Only you 2, 3, 4, 5.
Why you don't get work?
I don't get work, but at least I don't wear my shirt for back.
What do you shirt? If police catch you now and say what you did do, what you did?
Oh boy, I get work. Oh.
I never get your time. One floor.
Which kind of luck be this today? Eh? Maybe no apology, no say. Today go tough. Now I cannot even venture near market. What this dark castle go? Their own, not to the bring money or they go carry your market. Eh? They don't care whether person say or person not even say. Poverty. Now you go to suffer. Because all these run why they run since morning with empty belly. Now because I no get money to pay local government. To say I know, I for just dey my house. You don't see no apology. You know say today go tough. I beg you, that they come. They come. Come buy goods from No Apology Nigeria Limited. Come on. Market today.
No apple. No apology. And that's in the home. Afana.
I very fine.
What did happen?
Fine.
You don't come out today. Why are you here?
No. As I woke up this morning, my spirit can't touch me. So make I dey here do my business today. And I feel say the business go waka, go move well today. As I dey.
No apology. I don't believe this one. No, I swear down. You see that say you don't mess up where you go do business. Or you dey expect one to share it for the area? Sure.
I beg, I'll go to. I know one trouble now. I dey here, they manage my business. If you want to buy something, make you buy. If you don't want to buy, please, leave me.
Okay, if you say so. You get boxers?
Boxers? I don't say you go look for my trouble. I don't say you go look for my trouble.
What's happening?
I don't say you dey look for my trouble. Which one be I get them for boss? If you want boss, now make you go stadium, go boss. I be coach.
Hey, you don't bust my head. Ode, go school. No book for wear boxers. Now that's drawers we would wear under before we put our trouser. I ain't the boxers.
The thing whether they wear inside.
They put them under before you wear your trousers. I ain't the boxers.
School night teacher, you see yourself now, I better pass you. Wait, I get them. Let me be this one. Now they call boxers.
Boxers. Now boxers you
I beg na 500 naira they sell them. If you want buy, you buy. Whether boss or be short necker. They call short necker boss.
I see that one.
500 naira.
I like them.
Check them.
Leave them now.
Check them where now?
No me and you are they run?
No, just look them now. Check them. 500.
Bring that singlet, Mercy.
This one.
Apology. Leave them.
I know. Let me business I do. Check them well. If you check them, you give me money.
How much?
This one at 250.
500.
250. That's 750. Yes.
Right now. Give me. I go run you the bar later.
No. If you want buy now, make you buy. No, go come here. I can spoil my market. You want to spoil my business?
That's what now,
yeah.
Okay now. No wahala. No be money. I get your money. Give me change.
Change?
How now? No be 500, 250. No be 750. Give me 250. Give me my change.
I no get change, oh. Now tomorrow.
You say?
I no get change.
You say? Give me my 250, Joe.
I no get 250 except you go collect one singlet join. I no get change.
Tomorrow. Give me singlet. I no bring.
Oti!
No apple.
Oti!
No apple.
Make I check whether your face go give me too much.
No. As I buy
I get luck. No, that one, no worry.
So that's it. That's what they call me. What's up?
Now, boxers, Daddy.
You're so funny, sis. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. Hey, sis, don't forget to send me my Oyibo pants. You know I love them so much. I know I miss you too. I can't wait to come join you in the UK. Yeah, Dad is almost done with preparations for me to come over. I know, right? I miss you. I know it's gonna be fun. Mad fun. You know how we do it, sis. Oh God, you're so crazy. I'm gonna call you back, okay? When I'm settled and when I'm home, because I'm on my way back from the supermarket. I went to get something for Daddy and myself in the house, you know. Yeah, I know. I'll call you back much later. All right, sis. Bye. Take care. Love you. Oh my God.
Your sister be that?
Yeah, she's in the UK and I'll be joining her soon. And she's sending me more Igbo pants.
Do you like this Igbo pants?
Of course I do. I mean, this is for big girls. It's not for everybody. You know, it's for selected few. And it's not cheap, so you know what I wear. Come on.
I like it too. Design.
It's for big girls, you know. You're so silly.
Where would they go now?
Your house. To get my phone.
Oh! Not true. I've been no verse. And even the thing where my test I go tell you.
After I find my phone.
Make a turn, maybe go house now.
Yes, please.
Wow.
Push you. So why there, like Benjamin? No, there are kinds of people. Huh? This morning, they pursue me. Anywhere I go, they will come there. They even carry soldier. They pursue me. Soldier, hey, I can't look. If not, say, I remember when I go Olympic, Caro, they for catch me. Hey. Milam, thank God I don't go there today. Even I don't dare here say my case small. Hey, my man don't travel come out. You get luck. Hey.
What is celebrities? Okay.
Papa, now don't come back.
See, look I tell you. Before I count three, yeah? Go bring the phone where you take for my baby. Go bring them.
What happened now? Which eye service did they do now? Now you get the phone.
You regress?
But you will get the phone, go pay for security and collection fee.
Let me say a joke with a joke.
Mr. P, please. I don't want trouble. I don't want trouble. All I want is my phone. That's all. No apology. I will give you your money, okay?
You want them?
Yes. I don't want troubles, please. Here. See, this is a 1,500. So can I have my phone?
Let me move on.
I don't want trouble. All I want is my phone.
So where are they?
Thank you. I'll be sure everything is intact.
Wins. Thank God we don't see the phone settle down. Make me you in the house. May I go tell you what I want to tell you. What I don't tell you before I carry you come out.
I hope you won't waste my time.
Some more time before I carry you come out.
10 minutes.
10?
Yes.
Almost 20.
10. 10.
No apology. I will be that babe where your papa did with. Are you Chris? Maybe me and you see them now, you don't ask them. What do they do you? Simple question, what I just ask you. And not be simple answer, I just give you. If you want the big answer, go inside, go meet my papa. Then you ask him. You two the accents. Come on, go here. You know, go carry your goods, go display, know whether you go sell them. Have you? Yes. Make a go display for where you hold it. Come carry this one.
And they fall for you. You don't tell where they fall for you. Let me put me down. Since when this thing in my mind, I know how to talk them. I beg. I like you die. I won't beg you for something.
Okay, what?
I better close your eyes.
Why will I close my eyes? Huh?
Because I get surprised for you. Close your eyes.
Okay, my eyes are closed. Can I open them now?
Open it.
Mr. P, what is the meaning of this now?
Oyibo pants. I won't take them for proposal of marriage for you. Nance, I beg.
Hey.
I beg.
Hey. So you want to marry me, right?
Yes.
No problem. But I have to think about it.
That one a 5/10. I beg. Before you go London, give me the remaining 5/10. Make my mind go rest. At least make I know say even if you go London, I don't marry with that.
But I just said I was going to think about it and give a reply. Let me have the Oyibo pants. Thanks for it.
Thank you very much.
So
I will take you. I'll take you.
What's that?
Oh.
Please come and take me home before my daddy comes back.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Mr. P.
Otiba, you know, go market too.
I go. Sister, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Papa, you come out again?
No, this time I dance. No, come out.
No apology, Papa, they commit to. Shut up, you the Chris. If you talk again now, you go pay for this place where you stand. The Chris.
If Nancy loves you back, I beg you see Caro. She the go look for you, but of course you don't send them more. Now what for you? Try. Oti, big guy man. Okita, big guy man. Sophia, your mouth is sharp like razor. Now what for you? Oh, now what for you?
Said Daddy has been asking about.
No.
So I tell him been go buy food material stuff, you know, for the cooking things. What are you doing about? Don't worry.
Stop it. Thanks so much. I'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
Huh? Later.
Okay.
Come help me to carry this.
What's up? So when your face be like shit wet on the ground. What's up? You will also.
Now you ask me that question. I know where you me.
What's up?
Sister, I know you be the top person where everything come. See, I don't know as soon as man they behave. I know they do woman where I talk. You good. Make person love person. The person where you can't love. How they do you ignorant?
Oh no, that one a long time.
And I saw that and I saw it again.
Wait, what did you try to talk like see person break your heart?
I didn't know I happened to that one. I love how they left me that night. You know they give me headache.
You see that one? By the man. Person good day, they love you. As in, you won't die on top of your matter. You go leave her, go to love another person. That same person who you do love, you carry your heart, keep for stone. Use another stone. Don't cry. Yeah. Don't they cry yet?
I'm gonna cry now.
Don't they cry? Take her, bro. No. Hey, Love my sister.
Thank you. Thank you.
Apan.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. All corrupt, sir.
Obong Apan. I've told you it is not all corrupt. It is all correct.
Oh, Ajoya. I understanding, sir.
What do you lack in your duty?
Okay. You see, I want to say, may God bless you very well. Because I don't lack anything, no market. Since that time, where I've been the lack, when you come by me my uniform, you come by me that long torchlight and every other thing. I even get matched. I don't lack anything on duty. I don't even lack on duty. But one thing, okay? Now only when you go sleep, now that time, with me also, I don't do confirmation-ness. Say you don't sleep, me too, I go sleep my sleep. And I go wake up in the morning when outside people they pray. They do, Allah Akbar, Allah Akbar, Allah.
Will you shut up, idiot? Akbar! Jesus Christ. You mean I pay you to sleep when you are supposed to watch over my life?
Okay. It be like say you don't understand waiting at the door. What I'm talking about is not what we talk about. And what I'm talking about is okay, when you go sleep, I know say you don't sleep well, then I confirm. And at that time, when me Akbar go sleep my sleep.
Akbar! Do you know I can sack you right now? Do you know?
No. Okay, babe. No be like that. Okay, na sleeping of them. Be that okay.
You better keep that work. Before it leads you into temptation. Foolish boy.
Thank you, sir.
A menace.
Thank you, sir.
A moron.
Thank you, sir.
A social risk.
Thank you, sir.
A baboon.
Thank you, sir.
A scallywag.
Thank you, sir. All corrupt. Correct, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, listen to me. Somebody will be coming to collect those crates of beer. make sure you bring them out for easy evacuation. Is that clear?
All corrupt. Correct, sir. Yes, sir.
We are different people there with different character. A serious matter. Serious matter. So it go be. We are different people there with different character. A serious matter. Hey. Serious drama. Oh yes. Plenty wahala. A serious drama. Oh yes. Plenty palaver. That's so it be. Serious drama.
Caro.
No apology.
Welcome. Oh.
You no go market today?
I no go. You get as body they do me, but they do me well. So I say make I stay for house today. See how the body go be.
Anyway, since now you day, have you talked to you small?
No problem. What thing be that?
Now concerning your papa, now I won't talk to you about.
My papa? What did my papa do?
See, no apology. Your papa they do me ignorance, and no good.
And my papa they call ignorant?
I no insult your papa now. I no talk about your papa bad. No be the thing why I mean be that. No apology. The thing what I want tell you be say, look, as you see me so, I no love anybody except your papa. Now your papa I love pass. I love her with all my heart, all my body, with all my womanhood. But your papa no one love me back. I don't know why.
You love my papa with all your womanhood.
I love him.
You go tell my papa when you see him now. That one not concern me. That may be my papa.
No apology. I know say you no be your papa. I know. But I know say you get power to talk to your papa. To love me back. Help me tell him to love me back. Talk to him for my behind.
Make I tell him say you love him, Abi. No problem. Tell him say you love him. Finish. Nothing goes for nothing now. If you don't say you serious, you won't make I really talk to my papa well. You go shake body. You shake body well.
That one no hard me now. Shake.
No be that one. Shake body. What did I carry that one do? You go pay. No say na anointing the increase vision. So if you want make I talk to my papa well, you go put the money. Go pay.
Come on for road. Wait till they talk. No apology. You know say as the money too much. I no feel carry the money just give you like that. But if you go allow me, make I dey pay small, I go fit do that one.
Okay, fine. But another condition be say, as I dey talk to my papa, you go dey prepare special food for me. Anytime when I want eat special food, you go dey prepare while I dey talk to my papa.
No apology. That one na the one where I good inside. I know how to do one well. To prepare you food.
Yes, special one.
No wahala for that one. I go dey give you good food. That one no be problem. Just help me tell us I love him. I love him no be small. Make him love me back.
No problem. I go do that one. No problem.
Okay. I better make you wear quick.
No wear soon.
Is bright and fair, the day is good and good. Oh, happy day of your
All correct. Just so.
Fantastic Akpan.
Call that name again.
The Honorable GM.
You can call me anything you want to call me.
The only bushman in the city.
What are you doing, man?
So why are you excited? Why are you marching around? Why are you happy? What's the secret?
Now you they talk this kind of thing. Even if person asks, you know, go talk say, see that guy. Akpan no care any secret. Akpan have one. So long me fear. I don't have any secret. I just did like that. You say if you know now. I just like that. A very free person. You know now.
You see why I always call you the bushman in the city.
What are you talking about?
What I meant was, why are you marching around and disturbing everybody? Why are you happy? What is happening?
Okay, so another one. So you've been wanting your small grammar, can't destabilize my nomenclature. You leave that thing up. It thinks I don't know anything. I know something. So you, as you did, so you don't even know the date of the calendar month. Not today, now be the last day of the month. And Oka, is going to give me my salary. So that is why I have to walk around and do it for the money coming salary collection money thing. That goes on you.
So that is why you're marching around like a fool, disturbing the whole neighborhood.
Point of correction. Point of correction. I was not run around to disturb the neighborhood. This is called jubilation for money collected salary coming thing.
Okay, continue.
Okay.
Bushman.
The day is bright. It's bright and day. Happy day, oh God. Sing happy, hooray. It's bright and day.
Oh my own, oh my own, oh my own, oh my own. You will see my own.
Papa, this one when you dey happy like this. What happen? You win jackpot, people.
Anybody when we pull no go me half. What did they do me now? God don't they change our condition.
What do you mean, Papa? What happen?
Make a message for you. Even if you say you know they drink beer and to die for buy beer for you.
Papa, you're speaking in parables.
I don't get wife.
Wife what? Caro?
If not be say if my picking for cement on that fire you.
Papa, what I do now?
I gonna wish me Caro. You know say she be bad luck.
No, Papa, that woman love you well.
Shut up. Nancy be a wage. A palm. So make I tell you. With Nancy, you don't go UK. In fact, you go.
I mean,
you go
UK.
I tell you.
Hey, Papa.
Oh my own, oh my own, oh my own, oh my own. There will see my own.
See your
Baby, you will see Asampete. Oh, there we see.
No, go move. I go move.
Osita, how are you?
Ah, Sophie, you no go school today?
Are your eyes on holidays?
Meaning?
You see me dressed up in my books and you're asking me if I went to school today. What time is it?
Like your head not correct. You see watch on my hand now? You see watch on my hand? Which one time?
Well, I can oblige you the service of a timekeeper. And by my chronometer, it is 23 minutes past 3 o'clock.
As in morning, afternoon, or night?
Are you blind? Blockhead. Can't you see it's still there and rolling into evening?
No verse. What me that thing we talk before?
When?
Before they rolling now.
Blockhead.
You see you, one day I go block your head for this compound. Margaret Thatcher. Baby Tolo. I say they did find person.
Sir, he proposed to me and I accepted to marry him.
Really?
Yes, sir.
You like him?
I do, sir. Besides, one is not getting any younger.
I see. As long as you're happy with him.
He's a jolly good fellow and always ready to help.
Well, in that case, tell him to see me on this. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your consent.
You're welcome. You know you're like a daughter to me now. Eh?
Thank you, sir.
Get the meal ready. I'll be back in a jiffy.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Different people with different character. A serious matter. So it go be. Different people with different character. A serious matter. Serious drama. Oh yes. Plenty mahal. Serious drama. Oh yes. Plenty mahal. That's all it is. Serious drama. Okay. Plenty mahal. Serious drama. Plenty mahal. That's all it is. Mr. B, Chai, how we go be? How we be now for you?
You look your face, I just be like, say, We can begin dance for you.
That is why I could not wait to come share the good news with you.
I know. Thank you very much. Hi. I don't know what I did do again. Hi. Thank you. And I'm going to go to Papa, help me do Papa, make my son follow you go UK.
Why?
We made the paper.
Why do you have to go meet my daddy when I'm here with you, your wife to be? Come on, you don't need to go meet daddy to do anything for you. I'm here. All it's going to cost you is just little money. That's all.
I don't know say they do paper, man.
And now.
Yeah, thank God. This is not my wife thing. Like how much you think go?
You know, going to the UK it's not easy. So for you and your son, it's going to cost at about 500,000 naira. But you know I love you. And you're my husband to be.
Yes.
So I'm going to tell daddy to pay half of the money for you while you pay the remaining 250,000.
Hey.
You're my husband now, anything for you.
Hi. Thank you very much. So but just pay him, no more.
Straight up. All I need to do is to send the money to my sister in the UK and she starts working on your documents. As soon as it's ready, off we go.
Oh. Thank God, thank God, thank God. I don't get cash for house now. Unless I get like 150,000 now. Maybe tomorrow or next or anytime. I'll just give you the remaining balance. But I'll give you 150 today.
Mr. P.
To start.
Is the earlier the better. You know this UK people, there's a way they behave. So it's good you pay up all the money on time. It's not easy to get opportunities like this. So. But I have to warn you about something.
Warn them?
Yes. Yes, because I don't want you to jeopardize this opportunity that has come your way for you and your son to travel to the UK. I don't want you to spoil it.
The grace the
jeopardize. Yes. Hi. Let me warn you. Don't ever mention it to my daddy that I'm helping you secure documents or whatever to go to the UK. Don't try to mention it to him. Why would you? It's between both of us. Don't mention it to him at all.
Okay.
No so problem. You don't lose your chance of going to the UK.
Are they mad? I go begin lose again.
If you want your papers to come out, just don't mention it to my dad.
I trust you die.
Please.
If my wife.
I love you now, so I will do anything for you.
Okay.
So you said, well, you give me 150 now, right?
In the evening.
Okay. This evening, right?
If they begin asking for money, pay for me. That I will give you.
It's supposed to be your own money.
Okay. No less.
And don't forget, you're supposed to come see daddy soon.
I'll go even reach there before you say, since we are going to the market.
Okay, so hope you're not going to see daddy like this.
No.
I
don't know. I'll find something special I wear. And I go wear something when good. Those since we have discovered I be fine boy. You still not let me rest. The bath 4 times a week.
Daddy loves smell looking good.
What happened, sir? What you two do? You say you're fine. Just do okay. Just do anyhow.
Oti, I am Sophia, the beauty, and the no-nonsense brag that lives in this illiterate, infested public yard. And you, Oti, you're just an ignoramus.
Huh? Igigini? No, go, don't just go there. See. Anything when you talk, I buy them. But you see that last one where you mentioned, that is something, no try him again. No try him again. No try him again. I don't like him. No try him again. And I tell you.
What do you know? Blockhead. The only thing you know how to do is to run after everything in skirts.
Madam Sophia, tell me. Am I supposed to run after everything in trouser? No, tell me now, as you two know. Am I supposed to run after anything in trouser? You suppose that I beside the toast you, no make you know. Suppose that I be say someone like me just come out the toast you. Ugly girl.
You're just a male dog.
Jesus Christ.
You are just a male dog.
Jesus Christ.
And listen, let me warn you. The next time you try to pay any advances on me, hey, Oti, you will regret ever meeting me in your life.
Hey! Meguna, come on! She don't mess up. She don't bring her herself. I just say you know book. So all these things where they speak, na cut and join. You see? Who give you advance? I give you any money. You dey sell anything I won't buy. Where advance take up here? I don't give you money before. Bush girl, I think say you know what you dey speak since. Rubbish.
What do you know? You're just an illiterate. Look at this bunkum. Did I say you pay any advance to me? I don't know why am I even wasting my time exchanging words with a slow brain like you.
Jesus Christ.
I have more important things to do. Arrant nonsense.
Miss Slow brain. You see your type?
So I don't know. I agree. You know.
Now when you don't reach 32 years, I know your secret.
Oh, they make you come out.
No, they do shakara now. Small time, I thought you go to day.
Now wow.
What
What they do? You don't be question. They ask you. If you say don't be me come out now rescue you, she no go waka come out. She they tell you now they insult you with all this English for this life. They destroy your life. You know fit talk.
See, I dey try. I just dey try make I control wetin this girl download for my system now. No come tagbaru me again. No add salt to the injury. So I beg, dey your lane.
I beg you, shut up. No come tagbaru me again. No come add salt to my injury. The time when you get they destroy your life with big English. They talk English, they spoil your life. Say you be bunkum, you be bunkum, you be compound invested area. You sit down there, they look like me no fit talk. No be pity, I pity you take come meet you.
Why you want know? No, tell me, busybody. Why you want know? You want carry me go that one a gossip business center? Who na the day they gossip people abi? Free me.
Now because I pity you for this compound, everybody they insult you. Now you make me come meet you. You're this man.
Come. Go, not go like that now. Forget that girl.
Come on for you know the year Bible talk. Bible say my temple is the temple of Mr. P. Now I love. Now you go love me. Come on for road. Now every woman where you see, now you go they follow the toast. They do guy, they follow. They do guy, they follow.
Forget
make I tell you,
guy.
no like me, I no like you. I no like you. I pray say one day you go follow ghost, they toast ghost. Hey baby, oh baby, till you enter grave. Mumu.
Now you, your papa, your mama, your now then go toast ghost. Back to, I wish you the same. Back to sender. What you have to say? What do I feel like?
I don't see better person follow. Now you raskimono I go follow. Where your head, if they turn you upside down now, they go take you mop ground. You mop ground.
I don't want you.
So
don't call me Raskimono.
You be raskimono.
Don't call me Raskimono.
Raskimono.
I don't like that. Don't call me Raskimono.
You're jealous.
Call me anything, but don't call me Raskimono. I don't like her. Go fight.
Huh?
You see person wear dress like this early morning. You dey ask me where they go. Now you are going to ask that question. You know they go walk.
Baba did. Well, I dey wait for my in-law. My new, in fact, my future in-law.
What think that one coming in now?
I want to go propose my wife today, Nancy.
You want marry Nancy? Wait, I don't get the gist. You sure say she will agree marry you?
Person when you get this kind of company, this kind of big company, but which girl no go agree for her?
Your mirror they deceive you. You know as your face be. Okay, if the girl agree, Papa go agree.
I go try my best. That's the best way to get this guy, Mr. P Transport Company. I go try my best. But when I know, be say I must marry that girl. Come rain, come sunshine.
Okay, oh. I wish you the best of luck. But don't forget say Spider-Man, not the work for Nigeria.
That one I know. But honestly, me, I not be you. Me, I dey do my own one girl, one-on-one. I know be you when they carry girls everywhere from here. Anywhere you see girl, you carry. When they carry girls.
No talk am again. No just talk. I go change them for you here. Don't talk am again.
You will beat me.
Huh?
You go feel beat me.
Hey! No, come now.
I go. Hey!
No worry.
Make una come, oh. I don't keep it.
No. If you see me, if you hear me call Jesus Christ for your fight, call me bastard.
You say you know they hear. Talk that thing again.
Wait till we make a talk.
Just say they follow women up and down.
You get girlfriend everywhere. They follow women up and down.
Thank your God.
Say.
Now one reason make me leave you now.
What be that?
Because now I'm money. But just don't forget say.
Thunder fire your neighbor.
Spider-Man, no they work for Nigeria.
Yush.
No forget that one.
Come now, idiot. Before you come fight me, go print invitation for burial. Idiot. You know that they go do your bachelor's, your wake.
No apology.
Auntie Caro.
No apology.
Auntie Caro.
I beg, no they call me Auntie Caro again. I be Sisi. As you see me so, I be Sisi, complete a young girl. You see me.
Fine, but first you bring my money, the consultation fee and all that is where I think they do the runs for you.
That will not be problem. But come make I manage to ask you something. How they manage with them for house?
They move accordingly.
You mean now?
Don't worry now, no panic. Not be me you give the contract.
Yeah.
Very soon my papa go use your leg. Waka, come your house, come meet you. They beg you, make you marry her.
I'm not interested. I tell the first to be that.
Now you know the one where you go choose, whether you're interested or not.
Actually, I go there interested. Yes, as woman, you're supposed to make yanga small for this man.
Oh, don't do yanga too much. He go leave you.
No go leave you.
You know, say my papa na fast. Too shakara.
No go let that one happen.
I don't say my papa they fast left.
To God.
They work.
If you say no be say you be small pikin. I for just appreciate you now with love, sweet, smelling flavor kiss.
No, Auntie Caro, don't worry, keep the kissing there. Give me the one where do for me.
No problem.
Don't give me the money, keep the kissing. Okay.
Money no be wahala.
Okay.
I go give you. In fact, you know what? To show I appreciate you. By this time, tomorrow morning, very early in the morning, before you go market, I will cook special food, delicacy, just for you.
That's my special food. No problem. Go bring the money.
I won't enter now, go bring the money. I baby call my name.
Caro. Auntie Caro.
No, they put the auntie.
Sorry.
Or younger Caro.
Younger Caro.
You say make I keep my kiss, abi?
Just no carry am now money. Just bring the money. The special food.
I dey come.
If it's not available today, I fit. I'll be not tomorrow, it will be.
Not tomorrow.
No worry.
Wait, I dey come.
Just bring the money.
Wait, no go.
Caro.
What is that? No, I don't tell you. See, Caro.
Papa P.
Caro, I don't warn you several times. No, let disturb me. I don't like you. I don't dey chop anything from you. Carry your love, go give another person. I don't want. I don't find who go give. I'm not gonna tell you this again, no. I don't tell you.
Why you dey do like this now? Why you dey behave like this? I don't take all my body tell you so I love you. I dey take high talk. I dey take mouth talk. You know why you love me back. But me, I know. Say for my back and for my behind, you dey love me. You know what? Tell me. But if you can't reach my front, you can't dey pretend. And that one na hypocrisy. Hypocrisy. Now you dey do.
I dey love your behind.
Yes.
What's in there? I don't love your front, and behind I don't love. Caro? Caro? I'm not going to tell you this again, no. Do you hear me so?
Shebi na the love wey dey my heart. Now I take bring this drink come for you.
See.
This drink na drink of love.
This is the way you dey carry come. I jump and pass. You no go ever see me. You no go get me. This one come to me, you no go see me. Drink am by yourself. I jump and pass.
I jump enter you. Make you just
See the kind of love I get. If you shock my heart, shock and well. He's full of your love.
I know what! Hey!
Now you I love, oh. Now you I love. You go love me. For this compound, now you I go die with. I don't tell you now.
For dying, find another keke, not be me. I beg.
Papa, I beg. I beg. I love you. If I dey sleep, I dey think of you. I beg. I love you. I love you.
Mr. B, the international pilot, the managing director, Filipino Transport Company International Unlimited. We have lump them. You're welcome.
Thank you. Oga no dey.
Oga don't come out.
He don't come out?
He don't come out. But he say make you wait for him. As we have already so now money full everywhere. He go drop small thing now.
No problem. I did my mother and they go for
Oga Philippine.
Mr. P, chai, how we go be? How we be now for you? This your business, so now one in town. This your transport business. The day you need, you get the motor, you get the barrel, you get the keke. All now for the business.
You're here.
No apology.
You're welcome.
Yes. I guess your papa, my in-law, no day.
You mean my daddy?
Yes.
Oh no, don't worry, he'll be back soon.
Okay. You're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
I'll buy you something.
Oh really? Oh, you're such a darling. Oh, thanks so much. You've been spending so much on me.
Leave that one. You know my finance.
You mean fiancé, right?
Fiancé. Thank you.
You're such a funny man.
Thank you. Make I wait for my in-law. Yeah.
You mean my dad? Brother, just wait for him out there. He'll be back soon.
I follow you.
Yeah. Make yourself comfortable. It's your house too.
Thank you.
Come on in. My daddy's house is your house.
Yeah.
Okay? So feel free. I'm actually doing something from daddy. Yeah, inside. So let me drop this thing. I'll join you soon.
Mr. B, you say you love Nancy. Are you sure? If Nancy loves you back, I beg to see Caro. She go look for you, but of course you know send them more. Now work for you. Try. Oh, try. Big guy man. Okita, big guy man.
Jesus wept.
Hey. I beg.
You slapped me?
Yes, sir. On a devil. Please. I beg. It no go happen again. I beg. Slap me back.
You came to my house to fight me, isn't it?
It no go happen again. It no go happen again. Chief, Mamora.
You know what? By the time I come back, I don't want to meet you. Hey!
Olga. Something we God don't do for finish. Now devil won't come spoil. Hi. Chief.
What are you still doing here?
Oga, see. Oyibo man. To say to error. Na human being. To forgiveness. Forgivenessness is human being. Chief choose one. If they choose error.
I am done with you. Leave my house before I call the police.
Chief, call them. Let me come to fence. Put me for prison. Call Air Force. Call Army. Call Navy. Let me come to fence. Then they'll punish me. Chief, I beg. I beg. Confess. I beg. Forgive me. No.
Aban!
No be Akban. No be Akban matter.
Aban, come. Come.
Thief.
You see this moron?
Yes, thief.
I don't want to see him anywhere around my house. Is that clear?
All corrupt.
Oga.
Yes, sir.
Oga. You know what I says?
Okay. Mr. P, waiting them call you. Them deal say, respect is reciprocal. You listen to me? Now waiting you do, our Oka, make Oka reflexational fix now. Tell me.
This is when I come down from when my wife carried me to come for here. So sleep can't take me. Now me and my idiot son, they quarrel for dream. The slap where I bring make a slap the boy. Somebody can't touch me. As the slap they come down, my chief we meet.
You don't say slap Oka. I take slap Oka.
Agba, you know no slap like this.
I can't over see him.
Sorry.
That already. You come carry take slap me also.
No, now make a issue with him happen.
Is it that thing we do now? We slap Mauka. If you say maybe say I sabi you, now my matcher for take the solve this case. You hear me?
I beg.
But because I sabi you.
My friend. I beg.
Now Oka is very, very vexational now. You don't need to worry. You have to go and come back later again. You hear me? So that if it come back, come talk. Maybe him fit listen to you and this attentiveness and if it forgiveness of your sinfulness. You understand what I tell you?
If you beg him,
maybe I fit try, but I don't know.
Okay, get gone.
Okay, I'm a very big man. If it get gone, when I come, they go now. I don't discuss. But that baby is not me. Don't begin.
Sorry, no, come on, me no go shoot out because this matter now.
Hello? Yeah, bye.
Where are you there?
No, I dey road, I dey sell market.
I'll come back house. Now.
What will happen?
Abomination don't happen.
Which kind of abomination?
Come back, I know there for this your nonsense question. Come back home. Is that it? Now you go suffer am. Now you go suffer am.
I be say every time why they sell market when I this man they call me. Let's say this man enemy of progress.
He said he's sorry. It was a mistake. He was sleepwalking.
And he sleepwalked to my face.
Sir, I'm sorry. Sir, this is my future we're talking about here. And I know you've always wanted my progress. Sir, this is one of those progresses I need you to consolidate for me. Please. I love him and I want to marry him.
Nancy.
Sir?
I'm going to do this because of your relationship with my daughter, Kate.
Thank you, sir.
So I will look into the matter and then tell you my final decision on it.
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate.
You can now go back to the house.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Akpan. Akpan.
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. All corrupt. Correct. Say. Just sir.
Akpan.
Okay.
You're a case.
Okay. Sometimes. But God could bless you. Thank you for that compliment. Thank you for the compliment.
This is your salary for the month.
It is a song about Sodium Vien. It's a song I did. Thank you very much. God bless you. About Sodium Vien. Yeah, I got. Thank you. You see, thank you very much. Don't mention. Okay, mention. All corrupt, correct, sir. Red about turn. Hey, red major. Hey, is bright. Is bright and fair. Today of joy. Today is bright. Today is bright and fair. Oh, I be there of your. Today is bright. And be, oh, I be there of your.
No apology. This is where you stop them. Where you go? No apology. Where you go? I don't tell you not to mind your own business. You know they here. We'll not be friends again. We'll be friends before. Yes, nah. No, that time I didn't pretend. Now, you're saboteur. I don't see everything. Eh? I don't see everything. You don't expose yourself. Me saboteur. Yes, I pass you for physical and spirit. Eh? So you don't go fit do anything. Why away? I don't come out. This is not apology. You don't even sabi grammar at all. It's a me saboteur. Where do you ever see me come be sabotage? I bet they go sell, make I go to my market. You go slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Okay, stop. I bet.
What happened?
Thank God I see you.
What did happen now?
Nah, come out.
I won't go market.
My papa in the house.
Bless ain't good day. But I'm not too sure. Bless ain't good day.
Okay.
Hope no wahala.
No, nothing happened. I want to know whether in their house because my inquiry come out this morning.
In good day. I bless ain't they sleep because I see all in transport departments there.
Okay.
The taxi or the keke or the bar they there. So maybe in they sleep.
Okay, thank you.
Might go buy something now.
Okay, no problem.
Later things.
Thank you.
All my life savings, save everything finish. Or even all the struggle, I had the struggle. Eh? For life, it comes up like that. Even the guy when even love me well, when they bring food, Let me go the kicker. No, I'm not go there alive. I'm go there alive. They too waiting. I will thank God. Anyhow, when I reach there, we will begin arranging. Oui.
Are you sure? If Nancy loves you back, I beg to see.
See, Frank, the God that I am saving will never cannot let me there a jola more. Sooner or later, I will go elsewhere and kill you more. You can go to hell with your blood money more. You want to use my head for blood money.
Ah, Kate, my angel. So how are you? Yes, we are doing well. There's no problem. It's only that we're missing you. Yeah, that's good news. Oh, you'll be in Nigeria next week. Okay, my darling, there's no problem. I'm going to make every arrangement to make you comfortable, okay? Yes, my dear. Actually, I was praying when your call came. Yes. Oh, that's all right. Bye for now. Expecting you, my dear. Father Lord, my prayer is that you keep me alive and bring back my daughter safely from London. This I ask in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Akpan. Where are you going?
We must chapter 2, verse 4.
I don't want to repeat myself. Where are you going?
Okay, I will go for mountain top for prayer.
I hope you collected all your things.
Yes, okay.
Good. Go and never come back.
Oh, okay, I beg. Okay, I beg. Don't do this to me, okay, I beg.
I have finished with you.
Okay, I beg.
Leave my house.
Okay. Okay, you see this thing where I want to go? This prayer mountain, now for your own kuro. I think I now for your kuro.
Akpan, leave my house.
Oh, okay. If I tell you waiting happen for backyard, you could follow me go this prayer. Oh, God. Okay, I thank you. I thank you, the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, for delivering me from the lion den, delivering me from lion. Thank you, God. Make you carry your work. Thank you, God. Thank you. The Bible does say for the weapon of our warfare are not carnal, for the pulling down of strong people. All down. Amos chapter 20, verse 5. Thank you, God. Thank you, God Jesus. Thank you, God Jesus, for helping me from the lion den. Lion den. It ain't for the day made of ritual. It ain't made banquet. Okay, it ain't made
250,000 naira.
Go work hard. Harder. Because the money where I don't save now, say, may I just prepare and we take bad land to build our own house. I go not use and make we use them for this our London movement.
How much you don't save?
I don't save big money. Oh.
Big money?
Big money. I will keep hope for my children. 100,000 naira.
100,000. That means they look for 150,000 naira now to join that one.
You get where I go for bring make arrangement for 50 today. Join the 100, I will give them 150. Then 100 now go there.
Look for.
No problem. What's the one? Make people say.
We'll try our best.
If you cross go now, we will not get any problem.
No problem. No.
Because when you reach there, you no go begin play.
No, I go play. I go the sheep cars for you. The sheep.
For the company.
Everything for the company. Yes.
Leave Keke first.
That's so it be. Yes, we are different people, different character.
Apology. I don't go. What happened? You don't finish for today? Nah, I don't go now. You never go? No, the husband I won't make money. I don't get money. They go over Ibo. Now what? Will I say my lady or time for that they owe you? You the Chris? You don't understand. Any Asha, I don't go. You don't go yourself. Obodo Ibo call. Now you know I don't go. Bye bye. No problem. I go meet you later. I don't understand.
I feel die on top of your mata, hey, Caro.
Papa P. Papa P. Papa P. Hey. Oh. This man don't rush come out outside again, eh? He no day house. Huh? And I be the hurry, they rush, say, I go quick finish. Can't give her this food as they hot. Only I go chop and finish. But now he no day. Hey! What I go do? I get one flax now. I'll go keep the food inside the flax, cover him. If he come back, he go whack him. Papa, my
Caro.
Oti, how you dey?
Caro.
Oti. If you dey call my name like this, something dey.
See your makeup, eh? Your makeup, they make me up.
Na mirror I been dey use.
Try. Go tell me one thing. Why be say people go leave people where they send them? Go they send another people. Huh? Why?
What's him? They mind your business and they tell you. Waiting, eh? Why you not go carry your eye come off for person's soup? And your soup, your own.
Why you hash? I want this to be you can't love right there for me. If you say yes, you say right. Right.
Carry bucket, put your hand in you. I belong to Papa. I am not interested in
Mr.
I reject it. I reverse it. Condemnation. Every spirit of not loving, I reject her in the name of God. What did they do you? Eh? Look, as you see me so, now me and Papa will get this. Make I tell you, I am not interested in this political church. You are not in my capacity.
I mean, you talk like that?
Yes.
I mean, you talk like that?
Yes.
What's happened? Because I love you.
Mama Farad make you throw away. What they do you? What's wrong in you?
Me no reach your capacity. Me no reach your capacity.
Yes.
What's happened, sir? Because I want to
I say I'm not interested in this plenty to church.
That's why I ugly bitch. Don't forget what the Bible does. The Bible doesn't say the gift she day.
As I did for my standard high, I am not in your capacity. I dey tell you.
Which
Head
standard?
to toe.
That
With
is
Papa
standard.
Papa.
Because I want manage you for 1 year. Huh? That one, don't take me as money. And if I take that one, might die. Who got us?
I wanna say Jesus, our God. Now where is he? Cousin Nancy. The old Nancy. The old Nancy.
Akpan.
Now you with this?
Is this you? Akpantastic Akpan.
Now the name be that. Now yeah, now maybe the EM for this place now.
Are you serious?
Now here they work.
Eh?
I'm the EM.
Now you be this.
Now me.
Hey, you just left us just like that. No, nothing, no word from you.
No be like that.
Thank God I saw you. There's something I want to ask you. Did you leave any pots in the house, like with some funny things in it, like juju?
Oh, you mean that you? It go bangaro. You God forbid, can me. I don't do that kind of a thing. You see, I've been see that you poro. Now that you, now make me run, leave that house, leave that thief house. Because of that you, I think they use us for money ritual, making money.
Oga has been threatening to arrest you anytime he sees you, and he's serious about it.
God forbid, he cannot do that kind of a thing. God forbid, God forbid. We cannot. Don't you read the Bible? You know they read Bible. Don't you know that the Bible talks say, no weapon formed against you shall prosper. 2 Nicodemus, verse 20, chapter 10, subsection 2 of number 4. Don't you hear it? Can you read the Bible? Anything where you go, young pass.
My own Bible must be different though.
It's not.
Anyway, it's good to see you again, eh? So I'll be coming around here to check up on you.
I'm so happy to see you.
Akpantastic Akpan.
See my
the
dear,
only bushman in the
see
city.
my dear Nancy. Don't forget me.
Don't be you, cause I don't sleep well at all.
You don't sleep well. What happened?
Now where you they do your choir practice with snoring. They do like a Greek pig.
Who be pig? Who draw them?
Which one?
The pig.
Papa na so na sorry, but na so you they do now. You do am sote I no can sleep well.
Don't worry, today you sleep well. Something happiness they come.
Okay.
I want to tell you something about in fact, I want to tell you something.
What's me that? I don't say the thing go bring money.
You go come out money.
You go come out? No tell me. Who they look for money where go take go UK? You want tell me something when I go bring money?
Nice, my baby. Yeah? Ain't just saying in until when they stay for UK, they come. So you go good, may we bring our money, may we do our paper. Before your sister they come. So that we want all of us go come at the same time. Because you're not good, may we begin because we don't know road.
Good now. You don't give them the money where don't they now?
No, she thought she not go take them half and half. Nah, I said okay, no problem. We go complete them.
I'll be saying that tomorrow now we'll go give them tomorrow.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, my love. Sweetie. I bring this chill drink for now this morning.
You know the hear word. What are you?
See, the love what I get for you is deaf. It's a deaf love.
Caro, who you can see?
For you, when talk say love is blind, no waiting then they talk. The love I have for you, my love, he blind. See, if the love what I get for you take mistake, enter express road as I did so, I go enter. I don't mind to die. Die follow the love.
Face me, I face you, love. Papa, you said to this woman, no?
Thank you for your moral support.
Come, my love not for sale. Anybody will pay me, you go get them. You hear me, sir?
That will not be problem. No apology. All this one. To God, any amount, I go buy the love.
50,000.
Say what happen now? Be too much more.
Put it in the shop. Now your opportunity. Papa, wait. Your opportunity be this, so. Eh?
Come on there.
No go. Come. Come.
50,000 not be anything for you.
No go. I go look for him. I go look for him. I beg, come back. I go look for him. I go look for him.
Where they go? Come. Bring the drinks. Don't say my papa don't drink sugar. Now me, they drink this one. I start in the take. Just carry this one, they go.
I bet me talk to her.
Do quick.
Make I hold on like this. You carry this one. Now this house will go live together.
No, now your trainer.
Oh, now.
Mr. B, you say you love Nancy. Are you sure? If Nancy loves you back, I beg you see Caro. She the color for you.
No talk now. As human being, you too they give trouble. You too do worry. You know, they say this thing. When you break, they get hope.
Before, I work us also. That Nepa really work against us that night.
You say, may I not say, Nepa go bring like that night. We'll not forget chief place.
Abi?
Yeah?
Well, it don't happen. I won't be say I go to go my market, they sell my goods. Oh, better, I'm going to pay now. The target go come. Your target go come meet up your target.
Who?
Caro now.
Where go get that kind of money?
She thought say she go look for the money. I tell her make she do quick, make you not change your mind.
You tell him.
You know whether that charm where you bring for that place, whether it's still the work. If it's still the work now.
Something will break. Something will break the work.
Ah.
The work.
You got the work, you know, no. Miracle, get different ways where they take happen.
My God, not get miracle. Only begin sing, give him.
Abi? Go for miracle. Go for miracle. Go for miracle. Go for miracle. Go for.
Who be that?
My friend, God of miracle, now my papa, no be God for miracle. And they sing of our church.
Who tell you say they do praise and worship?
I even myself they worship God. How you dey? See, I bring my money of love.
May carry wahala, may carry trouble. Go beg, I know them.
No, Papa, no talk like that, oh. You bless say all you dey her hands. She carry parcel come.
Parrot.
Parcel.
I know hear you well. You got it. You say what?
I bring my price of love for you, my love. I struggle to get this money of love. Just tell me, say you love me.
I love you, die.
Hey. My love. Thank you.
Okay.
Make I quick go keep this train, come pack my thing, come join now.
Never pack, go. We've never pack. Just go. Make my manager talk. My manager.
Okay. Okay, I love you.
Child, you can imagine waiting the happen. You can imagine how we go be, how we go and do. Anything when we do for this world, we go pay. At the end of the day, Mr. P, you're on the combo. That's you, you're on the combo. All of the way they do bad things, yeah. Una ongo combo at the end of you. Now serious drum, plenty a serious drum.
Now when we don't pay this girl this month, at least we don't they should say we don't enter London with that.
Papa, she give you receipt when you give her the money.
Let it talk. I think so they suspect her.
Get us my spirit, they tell me. Oh.
Every minute you and your spirit they fight. They do nonsense meeting. You know, that one concern you.
Papa, when you go refund Caro the 50,000 naira, where you collect for?
I beg her money. Not be love, she they take her fine.
But you don't give them love now.
It concern you.
The advice I they give you. Advice I they give you.
You and your advice, carry your advice, put for your pocket. I want to compare two of them.
You go check and well. My spirit, no, they relax for that money where you pay.
Serious drama, plenty palaver. That's how it's different people, different kind serious crowd. Plenty wahala. Chai, serious crowd. Okay, plenty wahala. Oh yes, serious crowd.
Nancy! Nancy! Mr. P, I was going to call you. Yes, my house girl is missing from my house.
No house help. Okay, you get house help.
What kind of question is that? The one you were coming to marry, what was she?
Yeah? She just say you be a father.
She did?
Yes.
No, she lied to you. I have only one daughter, Kate, who lives abroad in the UK.
I get one question.
Yeah, what question was that?
That one they stay for London. Who's they go come?
No, her trip has been postponed for 6 months. What is the matter, Mr. P?
Your daughter collected, your servant collected 150,000 naira. Say you want to take and prepare visa for us and ticket. Me and my son go follow him. Say sister come next tomorrow. So all of us will follow go London together.
Hey, Nancy must have duped you, Mr. P. Hi. There was no plans for Nancy to travel. Besides, she does not even communicate with my daughter.
No, communicate with them.
At all, at all.
But I mean, they call them for motor. She they make all two of them go they talk for phone. They call them auntie.
You're so funny, sis. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. Hey, sis, don't forget to send me my Oyibo pants. You know I love them so much. I know I miss you too. I can't wait to come join you in the UK. Yeah, Dad is almost done with preparations for me to come over. I know, right? I miss you. I know it's gonna be fun. Mad fun. You know how we do it, sis. Oh God, you're so crazy. I'm gonna call you back, okay? When I'm settled and when I'm home, because I'm on my way back from the supermarket. I went to get something for Daddy and myself in the house, you know. Yeah, I know. I'll call you back much later. All right, sis. Bye. Take care. Love you. Oh my God.
Her sister be that?
Yeah, she's in the UK and I'll be joining her soon. And she's sending me more Igbo pants.
So like this Igbo pants?
Of course I do. I mean, this is for big girls. It's not for everybody. You know, it's for selected few. And it's not cheap, so you know what I wear. Come on.
I like it too. Design.
It's for big girls, you know. You're so silly.
She must have faked those calls, Mr. P. Nancy does not communicate with my daughter at all.
Nap.
Papa, let me say our money don't go with that.
I don't feel believe him. Because now, because say she don't say she won't go London and then he go carry us go. Now make me want to marry him. Make it be husband and wife travel.
Mr. P, you're a greedy man. And greed is evil. You played into Nancy's hands because of your greed. I mean, this is jiggery-pokery.
This is not pokery.
I'm not here for frivolities, Mr. P. Please, let me call the Commissioner of Police. Hello? The police? Yes? Fair? 150,000 found on her? That was my house help. She's been missing from the house. So where is she now? Dead? Nancy dead? Hey! What a way to pay. Hey!
What they sit down near me?
Cool down now. See, you get what I want to tell you. Caro.
Wait.
You see that word love? Where people they love, people they use and sing, they do so many things with that thing, eh? Now me be love.
How you take to be love?
Now me be the love where they hear.
I bet come on from.
I love you, Caro. I won't use love embarrass you.
No chance for you. No chance.
Why now?
Now Papa P, now I love, and I need to love me back.
Papa waiting.
Papa P.
That one will go soon die.
God forbid.
I tell you what you don't know. You see Papa P, he don't get wife. I swear.
Now lie be that. You just won't spoil the love what I get for Papa P, my love.
For what?
When you don't see say you won't marry another woman. You know if you marry any other person, now only me love.
I dem make I bust your head now. What's that girl name? Nancy. You don't know Nancy?
No be your wife.
Nancy na your wife now. When they say we talk a Frank. Now your wife be that now. They plan marriage since.
Ha.
I swear.
Auntie Caro, that's true. I've coped them in a very uncompromising manner before now.
You mean now?
You know me now, eh? You know I can't joke with something serious.
Since I know you, now today you talk sense. Since I know you, just today you just talk one thing that makes sense.
Auntie Caro, I suggest you give Oti a chance in your love life.
Hey, yeah. You see, I beg. Okay, may I show you something? May you know how serious I did. See this ring? If you know where I go construct this ring just to engage you, you go agree.
You no go be my size.
For what? I know your size.
How
watch.
You take no?
Just the watch. Be our witness.
Different people there, with different character. Yes, serious
I love you, die. You're my sugar plum.
You're my honey plum.
You're my lollipop.
You're my ice cream.
You are my everything. In fact, you know what? You know what I'm saying? She's my sugar berry, lollipop, and banana of life.
What did I do with my baby?
Who be your babe? No, who be your babe?
Where can I make envelope? Before I count 3, you don't lose that envelope. 1.
You say 1. 1.
What did you do? 2.
2. Okay.
Why you come up for what you said? What be your own business? What did they do you? After go, leave my love, my sweetie, my honey sugar pie. That time I dey show you, make I talk to Rawi.
Yes, sir.
That time I dey show you say I love you. You dey do me one, they do me shakara. But now, I don't get my sweetheart.
Yes, sir.
My love.
Yes,
you
sir.
can't dey talk.
Yes,
Look
sir.
this one. He ain't single. He ain't never born before. So, I beg, carry you and your pikin men and find somewhere go sit down. My love.
Hey, baby, let's give them that our latest dance now.
Our marriage song.
You go take off.
It goes like this.
Okay.
Akanchawa.
Chai. Akanchawa, chai. Akanchawa, chai.
It is well with me.
Yes, sir.
It is well with me.
Akanchawa, hey.
Dalimo.
Akanchawa, choo. Akanchawa,
It is well with me. It is well with me.
Akanchawa,
ooh.
Akanchawa.
Akanchawa. It is well with me. Akanchawa. 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 It is well with me. Akanchawa. It is well with me.
See, Oti.
You've lost the battle.
Which battle?
Let's go.
Battle. Oti. If those are not, where are you? Give myself.
Let's go.
What is that?
Let's go now.
Serious matter. My soul go be different people with different character. Serious matter. Serious time. Oh yes. Plenty behind. Serious time. Oh yes. Plenty behind. That's all you be. Serious time. Okay. Plenty behind. Serious time. Plenty behind. That's all you be. Mr. P. Chai. How we go be? How we be now for you? This your business, so now one in town. This your transport business. In day unique. You get the motor, you get the barrow, you get the keke. All now for the business. No apology. You stubborn, no be small. Why you there give your papa very hard the time? You not see your team, you're pulling very calm and good.